Okay, hello. Good morning, everyone. Glad to see that you have the ability to still get out of your beds at the early part of the morning. We are the team for the Southwark College project, and my name is Chris. I'm one of the 3D designers for the team. To start off with the project, the problem. With time, the courtyard of the Southwark College environment became very dull and boring. So at the beginning, we decided to give the national base of the courtyard by placing down a grass covering, so it will give us a better standard form to work off of. I'll now turn you over to Pavel, one of our other 3D designers.
You right, guys, I'm Pavel, and I'm going to start off with the proposal. Our client is Suffolk College, and this is one campus out of 4 in South East London. Being the main source of education, the main goals are to make students' learning enjoyable and enriching. Suffolk College Bromsley Centre teaches courses such as art design, engineering, media, and much more. The way the college looks now is very dull and not motivational, as the Suffolk College said. I mean, if you look at the previous image, it did look like a graveyard, didn't it? The place looks very cold and boring during winter time. If these images were taken during summertime, you can imagine what it looked like in the winter time. So I'm going to pass you over to Ariel. He's going to carry on.
Hello, I'm Ariel, I'm one of the 3D designers. As you know, the main courses that I teach in this particular center are all of a very creative nature. So we thought in order to make the whole place more motivational for the students, to encourage creativity, we thought that a visual solution was more suitable to it. As you'll see from the designs later, we want the space to be interactive with students so they can use it every day, and everyone could be able to use it. You see the design, you see it now. We are also hoping that this new environment can create a new, in a way, a new audience to bring in. So anyone who can buy the college where you can see the environment from the gates outside. So it can give Southwark a little bit more interest.
My name is Anton. In a second, I'm going to show you what we came across with. We are representing the maxim through the individual letter forms that we make up as a sentence. Each letter form reflects an aspect of the list that we've been given as part of the brief. Everything you can imagine is real. The actual individual letter forms we place around the site. Each letter form will be
each letter form, as you can see, has its own design, its own meaning in a way. That's why each of them look different. So,
and overall, wants to create the environment for students they get excited by, recharged and ready for the lessons, as well as the place that they can eat and relax. Each letter form have own character. You can play with it. You can listen to music, for example, the previous one. And basically, most of the letters just interactive. Sorry. The main thing about the letter forms is they're going to be placed around the site randomly, and there is going to be a focal point for it to just stand on a specific position and see how the letters come up together as a word. The first was the everything, and just you can take a look how it's going to look like when it's all ready. Just to make an example of interactivity is Y just the actual standard sculpture, which you can just enjoy by or just take a look at it, take a picture if you want. O is a table, the circle table. You can have a snack or just turn out. And the U is actually a very comfortable sofa. So just to give you an idea how does everything work. Imagine and is real. So everything you can imagine is real.
One thing that we mean by interactivity, so all the sculptures will be able, you'll be able to lean against and touch. As you can see, they can be used as chairs. You see this G, for example, can be used like as a seating area or any place where you can have your snacks, anything like that. That's what we mean by interactivity.
And that's pretty much it.
Before you go, would you like to talk to us a bit about the process more like in detail? How did you start and then how you came with this idea? Like what the experience about being with FE colleges as well?
What the whole process, yeah? When we started this project, we've come across many problems and many situations where we had to change our ideas. As Sorrell College knows, we came up with a dome idea before this, which wasn't successful. Therefore, we created this different idea, and we took in all the. We had the meeting with the college, and we took in all the notes and everything, and we knew what they wanted. So we came and we delivered this. There were a lot of, all of us worked as a team to accomplish this. So a lot of us had different job roles within this area. Like we were the 3D designers, we had people working on Photoshop, doing all the editing, putting all the work together to get this project as a whole project together.
It's one thing, it was just, I think it was just a really good experience to work with, because we're 3D design, graphic designers mix, so it was a really good experience to work with across the disciplines. You get to learn a lot more just by working with them, I think. And it was also a great, it was really good meeting with the college students to get the feedback to help us in a way that helped us a lot as well. So.
Also, when I started this project, I didn't know how much the research can really carry out and give you inspiration towards the final major project. And that really has helped me to understand how the research is really important, to carry out the research before you do anything, because research is really important. So, any questions? Yeah.
What happened with the original concept? Why did the dome not go down?
Basically, the dome was an area where students didn't want another room because they've got a lot of rooms, and it was a room, and they didn't want that, so we just skipped it.
In a way, it was an enclosed space where we thought they could go inside and relax. But yeah, because they just wanted the open area to look better, more community. So that's it.
Any other questions? Anyone? No? All right, then. Thank you. Thank you.
Southwark students, would you like to come over? No, Southwark students, they're going to comment on the project, sorry. So, Sorrell colleagues, would you like to come over and give some comments about the work and talk about the experience, briefly? Sam?
Let's go see. had meetings with the people who are doing our design in our area, and it did look bland, and they came to us with a dome idea, and we all kind of thought that a nice open area would be nice. So we had a chat, and we worked things out, and they came up with a really nice idea, and we all liked it.
And it was very nice as well to see, because we are art design students, so we had to kind of give them the brief instead of us designing it. So it was kind of like good to see the two views of it, the designers and the client. So it was good. We enjoyed it.
And I thought this was a really good experience because we got to bond with other people and know what they got to do and that stuff. That was really good.
And overall, we like the idea and the designs are great.
And I'm very happy with what they came up with. Yeah.
I built the dome, by the way.